Whenever I, hear rain, I get reminded of that quote. I think it was by Bob Marley. He said something like, some people feel the rain, others just get wet. And listening, just reading that made me think, do I really like rain? If I don't like, getting drenched in the rain, but I still enjoy the sound of it, do I really like rain? I know it wasn't supposed to be taken literally, but I don't know. What is rain to you? Oh, weather. I like the rain hitting the roof. Yeah, that's really nice. Usually I would prefer it if, the place is soundproof and all that, but this place I was staying at, I think it was just a small little cabin, and when it was raining, the sound was just, nothing beats real life ASMR. No, like, not like fake ASMR. There's ASMR, obviously, but, how should I say? ASMR is more of an experience. You know what I'm talking about. There's a difference between, a recorded rain sound and hearing it actually in person. For me, there's a difference, at least. The sound frequency is different, I guess. The sound just hits different. I know, the rain sounds that I usually hear on YouTube, for example, they sound a lot, not a lot, they sound a bit more compressed. But in real life, just that pure, unprocessed sound, it's great. Rain sounds on YouTube sounds like fire crackling, kinda. That's why you need to lower the volume to simulate that soft rain. If you want to simulate rain sounds, just use your shower. No, that's different.